Right. If you are a content creator, you have to listen up. Okay. Here are the 5 things that will make you fail as a content creator. Most content creators fail and they get frustrated from creating content because they didn't become successful as they thought they would. Now, if I were you, here are the 5 things I will avoid so that I will not fail as a content creator. Now, watch this video to the very end because the third one that I'm going to tell you is very important and a lot of people are victims of this. So let's get into it. The first thing that you have to avoid so that you will not fail as a content creator is that you are not posting consistently. Now, I have always talked about posting consistently on your page, whether in your TikTok account, whether in your Facebook page, whether on your YouTube channel. Post consistently. Post at least one video every single day. At least one video. Post images, post reels, post videos, post everything, Post your personal life. Just make sure that you post something every single day. And some people don't post consistently. Maybe they post today and the next time they come back, they post in 2 days' time, and then they won't post at all. And then they come back next week and post 5 videos in one day, and then they won't post again. That's not it. It's better that you post one video every single day than to post 5 videos and nobody will see you again for the next 3 weeks. So the first thing that you have to avoid is not posting every day. Make sure you post every day if you want to be successful. That was the first one. Now, the second thing that you do that will make you fail as a content creator is that you post one video and you think it is going to blow up. Now this is where most people, they maybe they are praying too much, or like they think that they know God so much that, and they think that once they post one video, it's going to go viral and it's going to gain them a lot of followers. And then when they post that one video that they spent time making, and it doesn't give them that views that they thought they would get, they stop posting. Like, the only time you will fail as a content creator is when you stop posting. That's when you fail. But as long as you continue posting, you are a success. You continue posting, even if nobody is watching your videos, you continue posting, you are a success. 2 views, 3 views in one video, 10 views, you are still posting, you are a success. So don't ever think that that one video that you posted is going to go viral and then you blow up. It doesn't happen that way. The algorithm needs to know that you are a serious person, and you can do this for a greater period of time. So take it out of your mind. That one video you posted is not going to go viral. It rarely happens. So if it doesn't happen, it's normal. Okay. Continue posting. Right. That was the second thing. Now, the third thing that you need to avoid, the third thing that you need to avoid, the most important thing that you need to avoid, okay, is that stop looking for shortcuts to everything. Okay, stop looking for shortcuts to everything on social media. Okay, a lot of people are looking for shortcuts. Maybe they download people's videos and then they post it on their own page and then they go viral. You know, popular people making their videos, you can't just go there and pick their content and post it on your own page and then you make money. It doesn't happen that way. Okay, you're gonna have to create your own. Okay, the social medias, all those social medias you want to get money from, they are actually going to pay you money if you are important to them, or if you are dropping important contents that will bring people into their platform. That's when they pay you the kind of money that you want. So stop looking for shortcuts. Okay, people come into my DMs and they ask me questions of what they're going to do so that they will gain 1,000 followers in one day. It doesn't happen that way, my brother. Do things step by step. If you go through the process and if you eventually get monetized, whether on YouTube, whether on TikTok, whether on Facebook, whether on Instagram, wherever, if you get monetized going through the process, you will be glad you did, because you are going to learn every step of the way. You are going to learn. So this is the most important thing that people fail to understand. Like, you cannot go through those shortcuts and still be successful. It doesn't happen that way. You must go through the process. So relax, learn to go through the process. You will learn a lot if you do that. That was the number 3 thing. Now, the number 4 thing that you have to avoid so that you will not fail as a content creator is to stop telling everyone, your friends, your family, everybody you meet, stop telling them to follow you or to subscribe to your to your channel. You know, I've seen people, you go to church, people, your friends will approach you and then they will pick up your phone and they'll try to tell you to subscribe to their YouTube channel, follow them on social media, follow them. Stop asking people to follow you, for God's sake. These are your friends and family. Okay, they may not be, they hardly are interested in your content, but there are people out there who you don't even know that are interested in that content that you are making. It's only a matter of time before your content finds these people. So relax, keep doing your stuff, and then your followers are going to come to you. Stop asking people to follow you and disturbing people all over, because even if those people follow you, they are not going to watch your videos. The views that is required to gain you the kind of money that you want, these people are not going to give it to you, right? So stop telling your friends and family to follow you. It's even better if they don't know that you create content until the day they find your video. It's better that way. Trust me, I've been there, I've done that. Now, that was the number 14 that you have to avoid. Now, the final and the 15 that you must avoid so that you will be successful on as a content creator is that you are not liking people's videos, you are not commenting on people's videos, and you are not sharing other creators' videos. Now, there are some people who just post content and they leave. They don't follow anybody. They don't like, they don't comment, they don't share. If you don't do this stuff for other creators, how do you think other people will do it for you? Or do you think you are too special? No, you are not. You are just you're just a human being, just like every other human being out there. So if you are asking people to like, comment, and share on your videos, make sure you are liking, you are commenting, you are sharing, and you are following other. Once you follow other creators, you can actually learn from them. You can actually pick up their topic. You can actually pick up the topic of their videos and recreate your own version of that same topic and still post it on your page. And it will still become an original content for you. Okay. Now, here are the 5 things, and I've mentioned them, the 5 things that you need to avoid so that you will not fail as a content creator. I hope you have picked a thing or two from this video. Like, comment, share, drop a review on my page. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.